How to manage the Netflix subscription. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Now let me show you the easiest way which will not even require a login. Yes, you have heard it right. So shall we begin? Launch your Play Store if you are an Android user. Now in your Play Store, first thing to assure is that you are using the same account with which you have purchased your Netflix subscription. After you have made assure of it, navigate to the option of Payment and Subscriptions. From the list of options, head over to Subscriptions. If you have subscribed to any of the package of Netflix, you will see it right here. Next to Netflix, you will either see an Edit button or Manage. You have to tap on either of the available button. Once you tap on it, you will see that you can either change the plan of your Netflix or you can even cancel out your Netflix subscription. Just tap on any according to your preference. And that is how you manage your Netflix subscription. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.